might cuss.
You recording?
You know, mind over matter. My armpits get sweaty. Okay. Yeah. Father, y'all, we come to you this evening. Oh, we need your protection. I didn't pray now. It's gonna seem like I don't have no faith if I don't drink it now. Okay, here we go. Hallelujah.
You can totally do this.
Oh. Oh.
You can do it.
Oh. Oh.
You can do it. You can do it.
Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh.
You're gonna be so healthy. Chug, 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 chug.
Oh.
Yeah.
Whew. It's only
Mommy,
one.
yeah, mommy, yeah. Mommy did it. Look, she did it.
Okay.
She did it. She did it. She did it.
Number 2. Oh.
Oh, sorry.
Oh. My nose was running in the inside. It's disgusting. Let this cup pass from me.
Stay over there, okay? No more. No more. Here, big baby right here.
I'm fighting rejection.
You throw it up.
Whew. That's like fear factor. Number 2 is bad, but it ain't as bad. Oh. Either that or the prayer is working.
You're almost done. You eat it too. You got one more left.
You're right.
You're
You're right.
done.
You're right. Okay.
Damn.
Okay. Instant. It's like.
Well, it said that you would feel like get some symptoms of like sickness, like flu-like symptoms.
I didn't pray again. For your glory, I will do anything. Woo! Okay. Oh, it done got hot everywhere. You praying for me? You ain't praying, huh? You laughing. You know, the Bible talks about people like you. If you laugh at somebody in their pain, let me get my water ready. Okay. Oh!
Good job, good job, good job. Almost done. Almost done. Hey!
Oh! 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 Oh!
That third one.
Ooh, I'm trying my best not to cuss. Oh! Oh! Gotta let that settle. Oh, I've been in through it. Oh, need some tissue. Ugh.
You crying?
I'm crying and everything. Oh, crying on the inside too. Oh. Oh. Oh.